Moving into college is always super exciting. Watch where you're going! This is my room. Really? Mine too! We're roommates! Whatever. Oh, wait for me! Relax, it's just a web. There. This is a total nightmare! Ew, I touched it. Gross! This room hasn't been used in forever. Guess it's cleanup time. Ew. Let's start with this nightstand. Oh, I hate cleaning. I know. Hey, maid! Ooh, yes, miss? Clean this up. Go on. Huh? What's that? Cobwebs everywhere. What's that? Ooh, a dorm decor contest! Don't you dare decorate my side. Time to start ordering. Oh, it's already here! Who is it? Bring it in. Leave it here. What's that? How about a tip? Sure. Wow. Thanks. Bye. Okay, let's see what we got here. Whoa! So many cute Halloween things! Oh, adorable! My decor will totally win! Wow! Ooh, soft! Gotta dig deeper! Oh my gosh, are you okay in there? What? None of your biz! This pillow's so cool and soft! How dare you! Give it back! It's mine! Okay, time to tidy up. There! Bed's ready. Perfect! Let's add some webs, a few pillows, and hang the rest, right? Boo! I'd eat these pumpkins, but they're for decor. Let's stick them on the wall. And decorate the nightstand. Done! So pretty! Yay! What do you think? Wow! Looks amazing! Of course! This could come in handy. Ugh, come on! So heavy! Ugh. Okay, now let's hang these curtains. Tie the bows at the bottom. And roll out the carpet. Nice. What's that? Oh, perfect! Be right back! These leaves are perfect! Oh, guess I'll grab a pumpkin too. Oh, wow, where were you? It's fine. The leaves are for decor. See? Now let's carve this pumpkin. Hi-ya! Waha! Done! Cutie. One here and one there. Perfect! Now let's grab the scissors. Cut carefully. That's ready. Hang it up and add a few more. Oh yeah! Time to decorate the shelves. Like this. Not bad, huh? Missing a ghost. Got it! I know how to fix that. Crumple one napkin. Add 2 more over it. Wrap and tie with a rubber band. Draw eyes, a mouth. Done! Now hang it up. Add a few more, and the Halloween corner's ready! How dare she try to compete with me! I'll show her! Need a costume. Nope, not this. Maybe this? No! Oh, cool. Thanks. Time to call my designer. Hi, I've got nothing to wear. Come fast. What? She's here! Finally! Come in! I need a Halloween costume and I'm lost! Oh, enough talking. Let the pro handle it. Huh? Done! Just need the hat. You'll be the prettiest witch ever. Always happy to help. Bye! Awesome! No one's topping my look. Whoa! I could never afford that. Wait. I know. Let's crumple some foil. Stick it on a headband and add another horn. Perfect. Let's see how it looks. Try it on. Maybe let my hair down. Now wrap the hair. What are you even doing? Wait, not done yet. Put lipstick on a curler. And draw some marks on my face, like that. Oh yeah, devilishly gorgeous. Who does she think she is? You're wearing that? Oh, what's so funny, Meanie? Right, I'll wear this. What do you say now? Oh, that's mine! And it looks great on me. Whatever. I still look better. It looks great. Time to make Halloween treats. Mix it all up. Oh no! It's burning! Water! Fast! Come on! I'm done with this!
Hello? Ah, got it. I'm on my way.
This is too hard. Oh, you're here. I need help.
Say no more. Let's cook. First, let's prep the cake layers. Cover them with frosting, like this.
Cool!
Decorate with ghosts and bats. Oh yeah!
Wow, so pretty!
Not yet. Now let's move to drinks. We'll use red punch.
Aww! Ah!
Boo! Eyeballs fit perfectly.
Whoa!
Time to pay. I'm out.
Ugh, what do I do now? I know!
1, 2, 300.
Hope you won't mind if I borrow some food. Nice! Let's grab olives, bread, and a few more things.
Finally, I'm rich now.
Oh, right, let's start. Spread Nutella on bread. Like this. Add bananas and draw faces. Perfect. Now another slice with jam. Make a spider with sweets. Next, spread pesto. And make a Frankenstein sandwich. Cool! Then peel a tangerine, spread it out like this. It'll be a healthy little spider. Now poke a hole in a quail egg and add a black olive. Wrap it in pepperoni. And stick it on a skewer. Yay, snacks! Huh? How does she make all that? Whatever, mine's still better. And now, candy time! Where do I put them? Oh, I got it! I'm here, miss. Take this. Your look is so boring. Oh, let's use a bat. You'll help us, cutie. Come on, bite her. Oh my! You look amazing! Yay! Stand here. You'll hand out candy. Ahem. Oh my gosh, what happened to her? Jealous? Oh, Mr. Ghost! I need your sheet. Okay. Now we need a bowl. Oh! Ew, gross! Let's grab this tub, cover it, Put the eyes and mouth back. And fill it with candy. Like that. Nice. Cool, right? Don't make me laugh. My vampire's way cooler. Oh. Whoa, someone's here. Come in, guys. Welcome. Here, have some candy. Thank you. I've got treats too. Oh, fine. Take one. No. Here. Hey, can I give you a hand? Oh, stop it! Come to mine. No, mine! Leave me alone! I'm out! Wait! You stay here. No, party's ruined. Aww. Don't cry. Here, have a treat. You serious? Then have some punch. Oh my. Time for pics.